Good afternoon guys. Today I will explain to you some tips in German language. If you want to present yourself in German language, right? So if you want to speak in German language, if you want to present yourself in German language, like my name is, what is this? Okay, so how you can present yourself in German language, right? Okay, so if you want to present yourself in German language, so there are a lot of tips, there are a lot of phrases wherein you can use it out. Okay, my first phrase is ich heiße. My first phrase is Hallo, ich heiße. Hallo, ich heiße. Basically, my ich heiße. Ich heiße, ich is I. Heiße, basically, a literally translation of English is I called myself. So, called myself. Hallo, ich heiße Ankit. My name is Ankit Malhotra, so I can use like this. Hallo, ich heiße Ankit Malhotra. Maybe I can use like this. Ich bin Ankit Malhotra. Ich bin Ankit Malhotra. It means ich is I, bin is am, and my name is Ankit Malhotra. So there are a lot of things. If you want to say your name in German language, you can say like this. Ich heiße Ankit Malhotra. Ich bin Ankit Malhotra and mein Name ist Ankit Malhotra. Mein Name ist Ankit Malhotra. So I'm repeating one more time. There are three phrases wherein you can present your name in German language. One is Ich heiße Ankit Malhotra, ich bin Ankit Malhotra, and mein Name ist Ankit Malhotra. Okay, all right. If you say good afternoon in German, good morning in German, good evening in German, so you say like this, Guten Tag, Guten Tag. So whenever you are meeting first time with the people, okay, and that's we call it as a formal conversation. In formal conversation, you can say like this, Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag is hello, good day, and Guten Tag you can use it out in the good afternoon as well. Okay, now speak after me. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is good morning. Speak after me. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend is your good evening. Okay, so I'm repeating one more time. Speak after me. Mein Name ist. Mein Name ist, my name is Ankit Malhotra. Mein Name ist Ankit Malhotra. Ich bin Ankit Malhotra. My name is Ankit Malhotra. Ich heiße Ankit Malhotra. My name is Ankit Malhotra. Okay, so these are tips, guys, basically which I will deliver to you on daily basis. Okay, so if you want to present yourself in German language, there are tips, and I'm sure you will love this video. And in the next module, I will definitely come back with my new uploads. All right, thank you.